Hello, today we will guide you through how to save a workspace in Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to preserve your current platform layout so you can come back to it exactly as you like it. Charts, watch lists, gadgets, studies, and window placements included. Saving a workspace is especially useful if you switch between different trading setups or want a reliable layout you can reload anytime. Begin by opening Thinkorswim and signing in as you normally would. Give the platform a moment to load all your tools and charts. It's best to make any layout adjustments first. Arrange your charts, add studies, set up your watch lists, and position your gadgets, so what you save truly reflects the view you want. Once your layout looks right, move your attention to the top right corner of the platform. You're looking for the Setup control. Depending on your theme or version, it may appear as the word Setup or as a small gear icon. If your window is small and you don't see it right away, maximize the application or widen the window so the top menu is fully visible. Click Setup to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Save Workspace As. This command captures your current arrangement exactly as it appears on your screen. You're not changing your data or your account, just storing the way the platform is laid out. A small prompt will appear asking for a workspace name. Type a short descriptive name that will make sense to you later. Many people include the layout's purpose and the date, such as Futures for Charts 2026-03-24. So it's easy to recognize. Use plain letters and numbers, avoid special characters, and keep it simple. For privacy and clarity, skip personal details in the name. When you're satisfied with the name, click OK to save it. If the name already exists, you might be asked whether you want to overwrite the existing workspace. Only confirm if you intend to replace it. Otherwise, cancel and choose a different name. That's it. Your workspace is saved. Going forward, you can return to this exact layout without rebuilding it. If you make additional tweaks later, just repeat the same Save Workspace as action to store those changes under new name, or overwrite the existing one if that's what you prefer. If you don't see the Setup menu or the option looks different, make sure the platform is fully updated and that your window is not minimized. Interface labels may vary slightly by operating system or theme, but the process is the same. You've now preserved your Thinkorswim layout with a clear, reusable workspace. Enjoy a consistent setup every time you trade.